Yield forecasts are one of the most powerful tools in GrowTrack. They are also one of the easiest to misunderstand. A yield forecast is not a promise, it is a projection. GrowTrack uses the information you provide to estimate what your garden is likely to produce. This includes your gardens, your beds, your plantings, and how those crops typically perform over time. The purpose of yield forecasting is not precision, it is perspective. Yield forecasts help you understand scale, how much a bed might produce, how different crops compare, how space, timing and choices affect output. This is especially useful when planning, deciding how much to plant, avoiding overproduction, understanding whether a crop is worth the space it takes. Yield forecasts also improve over time. The more you log plantings, the more you record harvests, the more GrowTrack learns from your garden. Early forecasts are broad, later forecasts become more refined. This is expected. GrowTrack is designed to adapt to real gardens, not theoretical ones. It's also important to understand what affects accuracy. Consistent spacing, accurate planting dates, realistic bed sizes, logging harvests when you can. You do not need to be perfect. Even partial data improves the system. Yield forecasts should be used as guidance, not targets. Weather changes, pests happens, and life intervenes. The forecast helps you understand what is likely, not what must happen. Some users use yield forecasts to compare crops. Some use them to plan storage or preservation. Some use them to simply understand how productive a space is. All of these uses are valid. If a forecast looks surprising, Rowan can help you explain it. Why a crop projected higher or lower? How spacing or timing affects output? What changes would influence the result? Yield forecasts are about learning, not about judgment. They help you see the impact of your decisions over time. With this, you have completed the planting and decision-making tools. You now understand how GrowTrack helps you choose time and design with confidence. From here, the next step is daily operation, tasks, alerts, health, and keeping everything running smoothly.